Welcome to Easthaven Subdivision featuring the Abney built by BRM Homes. Wide foyer upon entry gives immediate access to a spare bedroom/office, full bath, real laundry room and walk-through mudroom to the garage. Several windows provide natural light throughout the living room and kitchen. Custom cabinet layout with a large island, bar seating, and spacious eating area. King-sized master bedroom on the main with richwood beams and classic clean lines in the private bathroom. Upstairs features 3 oversized bedrooms with walk-in closets plus a bonus room. This home is located in a cul-de-sac. Easthaven Subdivision offers sidewalks, a clubhouse, playground, and pool.